uh, 2019 Nissan Rogue Sport. Common problem, the fan is not working. As you see, the blade is moving, but the motor is gone. There is no replacement motor on a lead dealership. We're gonna try universal one because this customer need to go home. So I removed the front, not the whole bumper, not the radiator. I just removed this bar, and there is a 10mm up there. We're gonna remove that, and we disconnect two things over here, one, and the main fan switch right there, and I don't think any other screws. I gotta see a light. Let me see. See anything? That's it. Only one screw up there. It's 10mm. I mean, it's a nut. Oh, I see another one. I think. Yeah. Here's another one. There's another 10mm right there. Okay. Right there. Two 10mm. Then come really easy. So this apply for all Nissan Rogues 2016 and 19. Also European and Asian call it a Nissan Qashqai. If you're a guy looking for Nissan Qashqai, it's the same. I don't know in your situation if you guys find it, but over here in the United States it's so expensive. And that's it. That's how you remove. Easy way. I took apart everything, so that's the AutoZone 60-inch universal. I cut the round thing, so I don't want to mess up the factory. I want to mess up the factory plug. So this is temporary fix. So I put the universal one under the big one. So here I do. I'm gonna wire it up here and here. Black goes to black. This blue goes to the yellow. Power and ground. So this is temporary fix till the new one arrived. So that's it. This is temporary fix, and oh well, I zip tied it everywhere. This is how it works. Okay. On this this aftermarket AutoZone fan, when it get installed, if it installed in the back like this, should be reverse polarity because it forces out the air. It should suck the heat out from the both the condenser and this should air suck a lot so it can get cold. But on this pushing, so when you get installed, earlier I mentioned black to black, this to yellow, but instead black to yellow, this blue go to the black. See, this go there and this go there, so when in reverse the fan turn this way. That's the update.